Hey angels, so I have a super exciting announcement to make to you guys. I just released the Angels Academy first ebook, so get excited. I know that this has been a long time coming, but me and God have been working really hard behind the scenes to bring some things to you guys that will help you live more of an abundant life, to be whole and restored and complete in your relationship with God and where you're at today in your spiritual journey. The name of the ebook is called From Darkness to Light. And if any of you guys know me and you know my story, you guys know that I know exactly what darkness is all about. But I also know that we serve a God that will make you all new again and that will bring you into the light, okay? And so this is a 30-day devotional, and it invites you to embark on a spiritual journey towards emotional, physical, and spiritual healing. And so this devotional is designed to deepen your relationship with God, the ultimate source of healing, comfort, and restoration. And so each day you'll be guided through powerful biblical passages, inspirational reflections, and real life heartfelt situations that address various aspects of healing. So whether you are seeking healing from past wounds, seeking guidance for present challenges, or desiring spiritual renewal, this devotional will provide daily nourishment for your soul. And so if you have not done so already, go down below in the description and click on that link and go over and get your copy now. Make sure you guys send me a message or a comment. You guys know how social media work. Send me a picture of you with your books, because I'm so excited for this new season that we are walking into together. A lot of time and effort went into this project. I definitely wanted to make sure that it was super affordable for you guys. And so enough of me ranting and raving. Go check it out, and I will see you guys in our next video. I love you guys. Bye, angels.